The Wildland Urban Interface codes were born from a simple truth. We're building where wildfires burn. The need to protect lives and mitigate risk continues to grow. But compliance is just the beginning. True safety comes from innovation. That's why MAXTERRA MgO is setting a new standard for fire-resistant construction. In this demonstration, we expose two WUI-compliant wall assemblies to direct flame, one with generic wood siding and another utilizing MAXTERRA. The results speak for themselves. Within 10 minutes, the wood assembly was fully involved, with siding and insulation destroyed. In stark contrast, after an hour of flame exposure, the MAXTERRA assembly remained standing strong. Once the siding and water-resistant barrier were removed, the MAXTERRA sheathing was completely intact and unscathed. MAXTERRA, a safer, stronger, healthier way to build. Learn more about tomorrow's building solutions today at nextgenbp.com.